Welcome. Here is a peace mantra you can slip into your day for presence, calm, loving kindness, and healing, restoring peace in your body and peace in your mind. Find a place where you can sit or lie down comfortably and begin to take some nice, full breaths. You can either have your eyes closed or gently open and focus softly on something pleasant to look at, or just let your eyes relax. We will open this meditation by chanting Aum for 3 long focusing tones. Aum is the Sanskrit pronunciation of Om and is the universal sound or hymn of the universe. Let's take a breath out together to begin. Exhale. Inhale. Our peace mantra starts and ends with Aum. Aum Shanti, 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 Aum. We will repeat our mantra 3 times out loud together. Take a breath out. Full breath in. Aum Shanti, 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 Om. Aum Shanti, 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 Om. Aum Shanti, 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 Om. Now repeat the mantra quietly to yourself 3 times, allowing your focus to be drawn softly to the words. Om Shanti, 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 Om. Continue repeating the mantra silently now to yourself inside your mind and heart. As you do, allow the words to naturally speed up or slow down like an inner song from your heart and soul, or a river moving along at its own pace. I will ring a chime in 3 minutes to draw our meditation to a close. If your mind wanders away from your mantra, tenderly reconnect your attention to your breath and the peace mantra. Bring your attention to your heart or heart chakra at the center of your upper chest. You may want to place your hands over your heart chakra. We will chant Aum 3 times to close our practice. Exhale. Inhale. Thank you for taking this moment of peace and presence for yourself. Bring your hands to prayer position. Bow your head gently. Thank you.